Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's question is search insert position. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We solve a lot of interview questions on this channel and that can definitely help you with your interview. The question says, given a sorted array and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. You may assume no duplicates in the array. And we begin with an example. If you look at example number 1, we have 5 at index 2. So that's why our output is 2. And if you look at example number 2, we don't have 2 in our given array. That means we need to find the index where we can insert 2. So first index is the position where we can insert 2. So let's move to pen and paper. Let's see how we can solve this question. After that we will see the code. So the question is asking us that we are given with the sorted array. So let's say we have a sorted array and we are given with the target. We need to search whether this target is in that given array or not. If that target is in that given array, we will return the index. If the target is not in that given array, we need to tell on which index we can insert it. So to solve, we can simply search in the array and we can look for whether we have 2 or not. And if we don't have 2, then we will search for a position where we can insert it. So this is a simply linear solution that we will search by one, and our time complexity will be O of n. But to increase the efficiency, we can solve it in log n and by using binary search. So for binary search, we will define 2 pointers, left and right. Left will be at 0th index and right will be at last index. With the help of left and right, we will calculate our midpoint. And our mid will be left plus right divided by 2. Once we have our mid, we will calculate the value at mid with target. If the value at mid is equal to target, that means we can simply return the mid because that is the index on which we have our target. If the target is not equal to mid, that means either we have to search in the left or either we have to search in the right. And whenever we are searching in the left side, we will modify our right. And our new right will be mid minus 1. And if the target is greater than the value at mid, in that case, we will modify our left. And our new left will be mid plus 1. And as the question is also asking that we need to return the index on which we can insert if the target is not in the given array. When we will search in the array, we will come to a situation where my left or right will collide. And what I mean by that, let's see it with the example. So let's say we have 1, 3, 5, 7 and our target is 2. So let me write down the index. So we will calculate our left and right. Our left is 0 and right is 3. So my mid will be 1. So my left, my right and my mid. Now I will compare the value at mid with my target. And the value at mid is greater than target. That means we will search in the left part. For that, I will modify my right and my new right will be mid minus 1. So I had left at 0, my new right will also come at 0. So now again I will calculate my mid and my new mid will be 0 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 0. So it come at mid. So now I have a situation where my left, right, mid are at 0. Again I will compare my value at mid with the target. This is 1. And 1 is less than 2. That means we need to search in the right part. For that again I will modify my left. And my new left will be mid plus 1. So now my left will come here. And now you have noticed that our left and right have collided. That means my right came to the left and my left came to the right. At this point, we need to stop. We will simply return our left pointer because this is the place where we can insert our target. So let me repeat, what we are simply doing here is we will use binary search to solve this question so that we can reduce the time complexity to log n. And we will take two pointers left and right. We will calculate our mid with the help of left and right, and we will compare the value at the mid with the target. If that value is equal to the target, we can simply return the mid because we find the index at which our target is. If we are unable to find the target at mid, either we will search on the left part, either we will search on the right part. Whenever we are searching either on the left or the right, we will modify either our left pointer, either our right pointer. And if we are unable to find the target in the array, we will come to a position where my left pointer and right pointer will collide. And whenever they will collide, we will stop and we can simply return the left because that will be the index at which we have to insert the target. So let's move on to the coding part and let's see what is the code for this problem. So let's see the code. As defined in the pen and paper session, I made two pointers at line number 3, left and right. Left is pointing at index 0 and right is pointing at last index. Then I'm taking a condition while left is less than right and my mid is left plus right divided by 2. Then I'm comparing the value at the mid with target. If those are equal, I will simply return mid. Else, if target is less than the value at mid, then I modify my right and my new right that will be mid minus 1. Else, I modify my left that will be mid plus 1. And at the end, I am simply returning left. So this was the code. Let's see whether it works or not. So here I submitted my code and it got accepted. So this was the solution for this problem. You can find the code in the description below. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.